Hello everyone. In today's video, I just want us to look at how to make chicken feeders at home. Please bring my overload. Can I have my overload? So follow me as I show you how to make chicken feeders. Now, if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel below for more videos. Welcome in today's tutorial, and follow me as I walk through how I do make my own chicken feeders. This is my workshop. I want to show you all what is required. Now, what you can see here will just make me one feeder. This one will make me one feeder. Now, what we are required to have is these three offcuts, not tiber. These are offcuts, not tiber. This one give me approximately 4 feet. So then I have some 2 piece of offcuts zimekatwa. Hizo sasa zitafunga feeder yangu. Pia niko na zingine ambazo ni refu kidogo. Hizo ambazo unaona pale, those one I will use them as the stand of this feeder. And then there is a stick there. That stick I will show you what to do with it. Welcome, let us build. then I need I need to do another one on this side here. Finally, is a stick here. I told you I was to show you how to use it. Now this one will be here. Like hapa katikati, but seems too long. We need to cut. We need to cut it a little bit. Then hiyo itawekwa hapo ndani. There is something I want to show you using this stick. It's good that you bite this stick at this edge here. Isipasuke. Taki ipasuke. So you have to bite it there. You have to bite it there. Now apply it here. Hapa pia nahitaji okay. Now this is my feeder is complete. It's very firm, it's very stable, haiwezi anguka, and it's also having a handle. This is my handle, and also help the chicken not to enter, zisiingie ndani zianze kuchakura. So zinakula tu na they are big, zinaingiza tu na zinakula tu na they are big. So that is all. These are my two feeders. These are my two feeders. You can then trim this edge feeder to look better, but that one is not compulsory. Now my feeders are ready. We need to test them. Now follow me as I test the new feeders. Now you can see how good is my feeders. How good is my feeders? These are my growers. You can see how my growers are comfortable eating. They are just eating very nicely. Zimepangana mzuri, zinakula mzuri, and you have to ensure that umeweka pia chakula chako mzuri. You can see how my chicks are. You can see how my chicks are during the feeding time. Zinakula tu mzuri, very nice, very nice. So you can carry on and also make yours like this. You can also make yours like this. Please remember to subscribe. Just leave a comment. You can share to friends. And thank you for watching.